मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 30, 60, 90 डिग्री थेरम आणि 45, 45, 90 डिग्री थेरम जो आहे तो पाहिला. या प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये आपल्याला म्हणलंय की इफ द अक्यूट अँगल्स in a right angle triangle are of 30 degree and 60 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 of the hypotenuse. ही प्रॉपर्टी आपण मागच्या लेसन मध्ये पाहिली. आणि 45, 45, 90 डिग्रीचा ट्रायंगल जो आहे त्यामध्ये आपण पाहिलं की इफ द अक्यूट अँगल ऑफ अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल इज आर the 45, 45 degree, then the length of each side containing the right angle is 1 by root 2 of the hypotenuse. This property is also called as the 45, 45, 90 degree theorem. तर ह्या दोन प्रॉपर्टीज ज्या आहेत त्या आपण मागच्या लेसन मध्ये पाहिल्या. आता आपल्याला पाहायचंय median of a triangle. Let us remember the term median. Median, it means that the segment joining the vertex and the side opposite to this vertex. It means if we consider the A vertex and its opposite side is BC, if we take a midpoint of BC, consider it as point D. And if we join the AD, this AD is called as the median of a triangle. Here each triangle has 3 medians. म्हणजे प्रत्येक ट्रायंगलला ज्या आहेत त्या 3 मेडियन्स असतात. मेडियन म्हणजे इथं म्हणलंय की एक ट्रायंगलचा वर्टेक्स आणि त्याच्या अपोजिट साइडचा मिड पॉइंट हे दोन्ही जॉईन करणारा जो सेगमेंट आहे त्याला मेडियन असं म्हणतात. मेडियनची थोडीशी कन्फ्युजन टर्म आहे अल्टिट्यूड. समजा हा ट्रायंगल आहे, ट्रायंगल ABC, आणि ह्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये वर्टेक्स ए पासून आपण बीसी वरती काढलेला परपेंडिक्युलर जो आहे इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ए अल्टिट्यूड. त्या अल्टिट्यूड आणि मेडियन मध्ये थोडंसं कन्फ्युजन होतं, म्हणून दोन्ही टर्म्स तुम्हाला अजून एकदा सांगते की अल्टिट्यूड जो आहे तो ट्रायंगलच्या कोणत्याही वर्टेक्सच्या अपोजिट साइडला काढलेला परपेंडिक्युलर जो सेगमेंट असतो त्याला अल्टिट्यूड म्हणायचं. The perpendicular drawn from a vertex to its opposite side is called as a altitude. And the median, it means that the segment joining the vertex and its midpoint of its opposite side is called as the median of a triangle. मग ज्या पद्धतीनं प्रत्येक ट्रायंगलला 3 मेडियन्स असतात तसंच प्रत्येक ट्रायंगलला 3 अल्टिट्यूड सुद्धा असतात. तसा हा फरक आहे अल्टिट्यूड आणि मेडियन मधला. तर आपण मेडियन म्हणजे काय हे आता पाहिलं. तसं ट्रायंगल ABC मध्ये AD हा मेडियन आहे. देन द मेडियन्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल आर कॉन्ग्रंट अँड द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्ग्रन्स ऑफ मेडियन्स इज कॉल्ड ॲज ए सेंट्रॉइड. इफ वी ड्रॉ all medians of this triangle ABC, here midpoint of AC is E and midpoint of AB is F. Then if we draw this median from C vertex and this median from B vertex, it is named as G, and this point of congruence is called as centroid. All the 3 medians are intersected each other, or the point of concurrence of these 3 medians is called as a centroid. And on page number 37 we have one activity is draw a triangle ABC, draw medians AD, BE and CF which is called the centroid. Let their point of concurrence be G and which is called as a centroid of triangle. If in this activity here they say that measure the length of AG, GD, measure the length BG and GE, also measure the length GC and FG. After measuring these 6 line segments, we observe that the length of AG it is twice of length of GD. म्हणजे AG ची लेंथ जी आहे ती GD च्या दुप्पट असलेली आपल्याला इथे दिसेल. त्याच पद्धतीनं लेंथ ऑफ GC is twice of length of FG and length of BG is twice of length GE. तर या पद्धतीने आपल्याला आपण हे 6 सेगमेंट्स मेजर केल्यानंतर आपल्याला ऑब्झर्वेशन दिसेल. मग यावरून सेंट्रॉइडची प्रॉपर्टी आपल्याला काय मिळते की द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करन्स ऑफ मेडियन्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल डिवाइड्स ईच मेडियन in the ratio 2:1. It means that here if we write the ratio AG as to GD, this centroid it divides each median in 2:1 ratio. Similarly, BG as to GE is equal to 2:1 and GC as to FG is also equal to 2:1. Therefore, this property says that the point of concurrence of medians of a triangle divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Now, let us see the property of median drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. The statement of theorem is in a right angled triangle the length of the median on the hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. म्हणजे राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल मध्ये काढलेला जो मेडियन आहे त्या मेडियनची लेंथ जी आहे की जी मेडियन आपण हायपोटेन्युस वरती काढलेली आहे त्या मेडियनची लेंथ जी आहे इट इज half of the hypotenuse. म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे काय प्रूव्ह करायचे here we have to prove that BD is equal to 1/2 AD. BD is equal to 1/2 AC. Therefore, here we write first given part in triangle ABC. Angle B is of 90 degree. BD is the median and we have to prove here BD is equal to 1/2 AC. And for doing that, we have to construct their take a point E on a ray BD such that B dash D dash E and let join or draw the segment EC. आता यामध्ये आपल्याला काही मेन स्टेप्स जे आहेत त्या दिलेल्या आहेत त्या स्टेप्स आपण बघायच्या आणि आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह जे आहे ते प्रूव्ह करायचंय. त्यासाठी आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा ADB आणि CDE हे दोन ट्रायंगल जे आहेत ते कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत हे आपल्याला दाखवायचे. नाउ लेट अस सी इन फिगर इन ट्रायंगल ADB and triangle CDE. Here side AD is congruent to side DC. It is given, it is median. Now BD angle ADB is congruent to angle CDE. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Now side BD is congruent to side DE. Reason is construction. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by CDE. These two triangles are congruent by SAS. Congruent by SAS test. If these two triangles are congruent, then each side and each angles are congruent. Therefore, segment AB is congruent to segment CE. Reason is CSCT, congruent sides of congruent triangles. Now, angle BAD is congruent to angle DCE. Here also reason is CACT, that is BAD and CAECD is nothing but BAC is congruent to angle ECA. That is BAC is congruent to ECA. AB is congruent to CE. Consider it as number 1. Therefore, here BAC and ECA, these two angles are congruent angles, but these are the alternate angles also. Therefore, line AB is parallel to line CE. Reason is alternate angle test. Here, line AB and CE are the parallel lines by the alternate angle test for the parallel lines. And if BC is the transversal, BC is the transversal, angle ABC plus angle ECB is of 180 degree. Reason is interior angles. Here angle ABC and ECE, these two angles are interior angles. Therefore we know that the property of interior angle, these are of 180 degree. Here we have the angle ABC is of 90 degree. Therefore ABC of 90, angle ECB as it is equal to 180. Therefore angle ECB is of 180 degree. 180 degree minus 90. Therefore angle ECB is of 90 degree. Here we prove that angle ECB is of 90 degree. Now in triangle ABC and ECB, ABC and triangle ECB, here side AB is congruent to side EC. AB is congruent to EC from 1. Now angle ABC is congruent to ECB. Each angle of 90 degree, and side BC is congruent to BC. Common segment. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ECB by SAS test. These two triangles are congruent by SAS test. Therefore the line or AC is congruent to BE, or BD is congruent to AC. AC is congruent to BE. Reason is CSCT. Here AC is congruent to BE. It means that AC is equal to BE. Consider it as number 2. But here we have in construction BD is equal to DE. BD is equal to DE. It means that BD is equal to 1/2 BE. reason is construction. Here BE is equal to AC. Therefore, here we write it as BD is equal to 1/2 AC instead of BE from 2. Hence it is our proof. BD is equal to 1/2 AC. It is the property of the median drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle.